Hello friends! It has been 6 months since we have been to the Lourdes Friary, and I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. First I'm going to tell you what I'm seeing, and then I'm going to tell you what I'm hearing. So let's look around a little bit first. We still have these stations up here, but when we get up to this main grotto, we take these beautiful stairs up. What's missing? The answer is everything. Yeah, there are some flowers starting to come up for the spring, but if you'll remember in my last video, there were all kinds of statues here, and their places are still being held. There are memorials still in place, but the statues are gone.
Why?
Why is a good question, Caroline.
I don't know.
Let's look around and see what else we can find. I love these big vines. I don't know what that is. If anybody knows what that is, I would love to have some.
Ooh, moss.
Let's go into our prayer grotto. All of the statues are gone from in here as well. There are still candles, and there are still people that come here and leave their prayers. Wow. That's not good.
Someone actually owns this place too now, but...
Caroline and I were just talking about this fountain and how we so want to see it working again. We're wondering if the fish will spit water too.
I think they do.
You think so? Here's the big grand estate. There's a chapel inside, or there was. Plenty of rooms and bathrooms and a kitchen, dining hall. You can see the lake.
Can we go to... just try going to Ryan. I'm going to try to scare away the frogs.
I don't know that you'll find any frogs when it's this cold.
I don't know, but it's scary.
Look how high the pond is, or lake, or whatever this is.
It's a lake.
There are some geese out there hanging with the statue. I believe it's Mother Mary.
Yeah, it's probably Mary.
No frogs jumping out at us today. Just some birds. You heard a frog?
Yeah. I heard it. I heard it.
All right, now we are going to go up and check out some of the stations of the cross. Those tracks look new. I mean, it's been 6 months, so God only knows how new, but still. It's gone.
This is the only thing that has a statue.
Still incredibly peaceful, but Jesus is missing. What in the world? There's some... Jesus is gone. He is not here, for he is risen. And I would assume that that's what these tracks are from. They lead right up to where those big heavy statues would be. Makes my heart sad. There's my beautiful archway that I love so much. I think I may even love it more without all the greenery on it. You can really see the stonework. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Hey Mom, look it.
I see. Let's go in. Let's see what's left in here. Because there are tracks coming up to it too. And the angel that was standing here is gone. But look it. With spring comes hope. Something new. Let's look. Oh my goodness. It's the skylight. Jesus is here. Oh my goodness, guys, it's like Easter. He is not risen yet. He's laying in repose. This is the only statue left on premises that we have seen. But like I said, there is some hope. Hope shooting out from the ground, coming out of the darkness. Even though this big, beautiful statue is gone too. Oh my gosh, like literally everything is gone.
Oh, it's gone.
Big, beautiful building. All right, guys, are you ready for some good news? Can I get an amen? I have been contacted by a group, and I am not allowed at this time to give any names or any details. But there is progress going forward to save this building and to save these lands. And if it all works out as it should, we will still have this gorgeous 61 acres in Cedar Lake that we will be able to come to for reflection and prayer and everything else. So stay tuned. I will hopefully have more updates for you. I'm sorry it's a little bit vague. If you are somebody who's aware of where some of the statues went, maybe think about reaching out. I think it would be really cool to have some of the original statues replaced here. But yeah, joy comes in the morning, guys. This place has been asleep and dormant for more than 3 days, and God willing, it's coming back, and it's going to be saved and restored and gorgeous, and I could not be any happier about it. So thank you to the mystery person who reached out to give us that little tip. And sorry, I feel like there's been a lot of God puns in here, but it just feels so meant to be, and I'm so excited for what the future holds. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys later.